friends, welcome to Saily's Tasty Treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make cilantro or coriander chutney. This is a quick and easy recipe for a dip. If you love eating Indian food, then you must have come across this chutney. Indian meal, especially snacks and appetizers, are often incomplete without a side of this chutney. But before we begin, please go through the ingredients in the description below. There are many tips in my recipe, so do watch till the end. To make sure that you don't miss any of my recipe every week, please press the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. To make coriander chutney, let's have a look at the ingredients required. Firstly, take a grinder, add half inch ginger, 4 garlic pods, 2 tablespoons roasted chana dal. If you don't have chana dal, you can also use 2 tablespoons of peanut. Here is a tip. I'm adding this as it makes the chutney thick and binds it together. Also, it will stop the water from separating from the green chutney. Now I'm adding 3 green chilies, as I prefer my chutney to be a bit spicy. You can adjust it according to your taste. Now I'm putting 2 cups of fresh coriander, half a teaspoon of rock salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add 2 tablespoons of cold water and adjust it as you go along till you get a smooth paste. Here is a tip. I have added cold water as this will help reduce the temperature generated by the grinder from affecting the chutney color and retain the green color of the chutney. Now it's time to grind the chutney. Wow! Look at the color and texture of the chutney. It is perfect. This chutney elevates the flavor of sandwiches or can be used as a dip along with aloo tikki, samosas and many more. If you like my recipe, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your loved ones and don't forget to subscribe.